Good morning, everyone. This is my vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Parang naumpot. Ayan, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Hallelujah. Time check. 4:08. Today is Monday again. Start of the beginning for the third week of October 13th. 13th of October today, everyone. And the weather for today is about 12 degrees. Meron pa parating na kotse. Kaya dito dahil dumaan. Kahit madilim. Hallelujah. So, collection pa lang ngayon ng rabies dito. Monday. General and yung green. Yung sa mga gardens, mga plants. Ayan. So, ayan lang everyone. And i-flex ko dito yung si nanay almost 3 nights na akong natutulog doon. Nag-start ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then 3 nights. Tapos so ngayon inaanda ko siya sa umaga, breakfast niya. Iniwan ko na ngayon, nilagay ko na dun sa tabi ng bed niya para makita nyo pag post ko dito, para kung hindi pa man, kahit pagtanghali na tapos nagutom na siya, hindi pa dumarating ang kuya ko, ayun, makakakain siya at saka ayan everyone, ang OOTD of the day. So that's it, and see you later everyone after 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours everyone. Bye. Good morning. Breakfast kami. Update. Time check. 5:32 everyone. Time check. 9:21 everyone. Dito ako sa tapat ng Royal Garden Hotel. Ayan, nagra-running ang I'll take 52. See you later. Ayan, everyone. Time check. 9:58. Lakad na naman tayo pa uwi. Uwi na. Dito ko hinintay si Banji. Kaninang umaga. So, ayan yung post ko. Nag-opening na sila. Ang Ria Money Transfer. So, ngayon, let's go and walk everyone until I reach my cage. Hallelujah. That's it for today, and see you later everyone. Ayan, ayan. Time check, 12:30. Ay, 12:41 na everyone. So, while I'm watching YouTube, so, magkain tayo. Ang ulam ko ngayon Lunes ay tuna income. Kasi nagpaligo ako kay nanay. So, tanghali na. Nagbukas na lang kami ng delata. Pero si nanay meron siyang tsaka meron siyang palabok pa. And then this one, let's have coffee. I mean, nakalimutan ko maghiwa ng kamatis. So, may binili akong kamatis. Bukas na lang ako magluluto. Tapos ito, croissants. Hindi ko naubos. 2 yan. So, later kainin ko. Sausaw ko dun sa kape ko. Yan lang everyone. And haggard nagpaligo kay inay. So, sabog-sabog talaga ang buhok. See you later everyone. At mag-nap time tayo. Painsbury meron silang kaki. And then, bumili akong saging. Binilang ko rin si nanay ng saging. Tsaka ang kuya dun sa baba. So, ayan. Hindi kailangan ng magmarami ng prutas dahil na-override. See you later. See you when I see you everyone. Aproveche a todos. Vamos a cenar. Time check, everyone. 15:23. Tapos, naka-FaceTime kay Ilha. Tapos, ayun, malamig pa rin. And then, the weather is 17 naman. Eh, ba't ang lamig? Diba? Ayan. See you later, everyone. After the trains and 5 minutes walk. The train is here already. So, my second train, everyone. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it's here, everyone. Let's go to my favorite seat. And this is it.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Finchley Road. This is a Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
Everyone, natulungan si Pongko, grabe. Way out tayo, everyone. Sobrang lamig ngayon. Lumamig yung panahon, everyone. Kaya, ay, may sipon ako. Nagtulo. Yes, God bless. And see you later, everyone. Time check. 16:08. See you, everyone. That's underground. Ito. Time check. 2020. Alas 8:20 na. Dumaan kasi ako ng test ko. At sorry, binili ko si nanay na smooth peanut
The
butter.
next station is Liverpool Street. Change for the Central Elizabeth Line. London Overground, and National Rail Services.
See you later, everyone. After that, this one, this train, and the other one. Going home. Last train, everyone. Ay, dito pa daw. My favorites. Yes. Going home, everyone. Si Gerson yung nagbibisikleta. Ayan. Galing sa kanyang gym. Sa wrestling. And that's it, everyone. See you, and I see you, everyone. Dumadami na yung mga dahon dito. The dry leaves. Almost. Malamig ngayon. Everyone, malamig. Ayan. Salad naman tayo. At nanghingi ako ng konting chicken. Chicken, ewan ko. So, ayun. While I'm watching sa YouTube, everyone. So, si nanay nanonood pa ng TV. 9:15 na. So, sabi ko mamaya na lang ako bababa. Pagpatulog na ako. Mag-dinner pa ako at marami pa akong gagawin. Ayun lang, everyone. See you. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.